In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use magic drag events in Drama. If you haven't seen our magic move transitions tutorial yet, then please watch that one first. So in this example, we have two scenes, dark scene and light scene. The light scene has a blue rectangle layer called track, inside of which there are three more layers. Oval layer knob and two Bezier layers sun and moon. We can't see the moon here because it lies outside the track layer bounds in this scene. The dark scene has exactly the same structure, a rectangle track layer at the bottom, and inside that layer an oval knob layer and two Bezier layers for moon and sun. So our two scenes have the same layer structure. Now, let me add a magic drag event here. I'll click on the knob and drag the yellow event button to add a transition. Instead of choosing Click Event, I'll go with Magic Drag, which is only available if there is an equivalent layer on the destination scene. I'll also add an opposite Magic Drag event to the knob on the dark scene and transition to the light scene like so. Now we can play with this in the simulator and see what happens. The transition doesn't play automatically as time progresses. Instead, it's actually driven by me dragging the knob layer here. So the closer I am to the destination of the knob, the closer the transition is to completion. A magic drag event can only be added to layers that are morphing during the transition, so they must exist on both scenes. By the way, you can still edit this transition between the two scenes. And even though this transition is triggered by a magic drag event, it's still a regular magic move transition. So the transition editor is available and the transition is fully editable. Want to learn more about this? Then check out the Magic Move Transitions tutorial. Thanks for watching.